This conference will now be recorded.
మొత్తం అట్లేనా?
A and B post the individual attendance. CR chat box lo individual attendance post cheyanamma. Is the screen visible? Okay, today we will discuss this one bit trading window. Sorry, go back and protocol. So last class we discussed about the problem associated with sending a single packet one at a time. So the sender will get blocked and efficiency. That means short frame length and a long transmission time and long data rate. So it will lead to the decrease in the performance. So today we will continue further. Okay, so that will so what is now we have to discuss what is piggybacking. So that we need to discuss. So piggybacking is, suppose there is a packet 1. Okay, so this is sender and this is receiver. Okay, so sender sends let's say packet 0. So sender sends the packet 0. Now what happens is, from the receiver it will send an acknowledgement of 0 ACK. That means acknowledgement of 0. This both combination will send to here. Now it will receive 1 and it will send to an acknowledgement for 1. Acknowledgement for 1. So this is nothing but the piggybacking. And receiver receives here 2. Similarly 3 and acknowledgement for 2. Acknowledgement for 2. It will send to again 2. So 3 will receive here and now 4 comma acknowledgement for 3. 4 comma acknowledgement for 3. Now receiver receives the 4 and sends the 5 and acknowledgement for 4. Acknowledgement for 4. Again received here, 5 received here. Okay, so B is received here. Okay, so any doubt in here? So this is nothing but piggybacking. So sending off this packet as well as acknowledgement both. So both packet and acknowledgement is nothing but piggybacking. What do you call this? Piggybacking. Piggybacking. మీకు డౌట్ వస్తుంది సార్ ఇది మరి ప్యాకెట్ రెడీ అయ్యేదాకా వెయిట్ చేయాలి అంటే వెయిట్ చేయాలి తప్పదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ that's I mean minor thing which we actually so this is nothing but the piggyback. Okay, so is it clear to everyone what is piggybacking? Okay. Okay, so in the last class, so we have discussed about those okay, so just I'm reminding what is these brackets. Okay, 0 and 1. So 1 and 0. So what are all those things? So those are nothing but 0 is a sequence number and 1 is the acknowledgement. Okay, it contains both sequence number and acknowledgement. See here, sequence number and acknowledgement. Okay, so this will compare everywhere both packet and sequence number as well as acknowledgement both will present everywhere. Okay, clear? So this is about the complete sliding window. So last class we discussed about that. So how these zeros and ones are formed. Okay, so that anyhow we have discussed it. So this 0 and 1. So sender sends 0 and 1, receiver receives 0 and sends 0 0. How this formed? So this is formed because receiver frame, this is nothing but next frame to send. So next frame to send is 1. Okay, here. So while sending this one and here, so it is nothing but increment the FE. So FE is initially 1 and here it is 1 minus and next frame to send, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So like this, next frame to send is 1. Okay, so like this entire sequence will be presented. Okay, so this I explained in the last class, so just refer that video if you want. Now today we will see a go back end. Today we will see go back end. So go back and concept ఏంటంటే see if you see the diagram, so we are sending 0 to receiver and receiver received 0 and sent 1. So 0 acknowledgement and sends to receiver. Receiver receives 1. Now 2 comma 1 acknowledgement. అయితే ఎర్రర్ రిసీవర్ ఏంటి ఫ్రేమ్ రిసీవ్ అవ్వాల, ఎర్రర్ అని రిసీవ్ అయింది ఎర్రర్. సో ఎర్రర్ కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది, సెండరు కంటిన్యూస్ గా సెండ్ చేస్తానే ఉంటది. మళ్ళీ 3 ఓకే. సో మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ కాదు, sender sends the 0, 1 comma 0 acknowledgement from the sender to receiver, 1 received, 2 comma 1 acknowledgement. Okay, so what happened here, error. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ ప్యాకెట్ 3 ని 1 acknowledgement పంపిస్తాం. ప్యాకెట్ 4 1 acknowledgement. ఇవన్నీ బఫర్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. 5 1 acknowledgement సెండింగ్ సైడ్ నుంచి రిసీవింగ్ సైడ్. ఓకే, అలానే 6 7 8 వరకు పంపిస్తాం అన్నమాట. అయితే ఎప్పుడైతే whenever the sender receives this whenever timeout happens, so here they waiting for acknowledgement for 2, sender waiting for acknowledgement 2 ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ పంపించాం. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఏం రావాలి వెంటనే acknowledgement రావాలి, రాలేదు అంటే 2 రిసీవ్ అవ్వలేదు. అందుకే టైమర్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. టైమర్ స్టార్ట్ after sending the frame, timer will get started and it will be timeout after 8. ఇక్కడ timeout అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 8 దగ్గర timeout అవుతుంది. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, timeout అయిందంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి, ఈ ఫ్రేమ్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి కదా 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, all these frames are discarded. అంటే బఫర్ లో పెట్టుకుంటుంది. డిస్కార్డ్ అంటే బఫర్ లో పెట్టుకుంటుంది. ఎన్ని 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ఓకే, సో ఎప్పుడైతే 8 టైమ్అవుట్ అవుతుందో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ రీట్రాన్స్మిషన్. కంప్యూటర్ నెట్వర్క్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, వెన్ ఎవర్ టైమ్అవుట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, రీట్రాన్స్మిషన్ ఏంటి, 2,1 అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్. ఇది రీట్రాన్స్మిట్ అవుతుంది. సో మళ్ళీ తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ 2 రీచ్ అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ సీక్వెన్స్ కంటిన్యూస్. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ 3,2 అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్, 3,2 అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్. ఇది రిసీవర్ నుంచి సెండర్ కి. మళ్ళీ 3 రీచ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ, మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ 3 అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ 4,3 అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్. మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ 4 రీచ్ అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ 5, 4 అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్. ఓకే, బ్యాక్ టు ద సెండర్, మళ్ళీ 5 రీచ్ అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ గోస్ ఆన్ కంటిన్యూస్, దిస్ ఇస్ షోన్ ఇన్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏంటంటే గో బ్యాక్ ఎన్. ఎన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎన్ అంటే ఎక్కడ ఎర్ర వచ్చిందో ఆ ఎన్ ఫ్రేమ్స్ గో బ్యాక్ టు దట్ ఎన్. ఓకే, సో ఎన్ అంటే ఎన్ మీన్స్ వాట్, ఎన్ మీన్స్ ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బఫర్డ్ ఐటమ్స్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బఫర్డ్ ఐటమ్స్. సో ఏమేమి బఫర్ చేస్తాం, ఇక్కడ ఎర్ర ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది, 2 దగ్గర వచ్చింది, 2 సెండ్ చేసినప్పుడు వచ్చింది ఎర్రర్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ వి బఫర్డ్, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many? Total how many? 5. So 5 we buffered.
Shivkumar sir, just 1 minute sir.
Yes.
Sir, just 1 minute sir.
Yes madam.
Sir, out of 99, how many are absent for the morning session CRT sir? Can you please note down? Ask the students that all these 99 members have attended the CRT or not.
Okay madam.
Okay sir, thank you. Please put a message in the timetable group.
Yeah, sure madam, sure.
Okay.
CR.
Yes sir.
Yeah, can you please find out, is it possible for you?
No sir, I will ask in the group and I will tell you, I will message you sir.
We want exact count, that's why.
For me it is not
Because
possible
we
to
are
know
98
sir,
only
because
there. Yeah, tell me the reason.
we are not able to see the participants list sir, so we don't know who attended or who did not attend sir.
No, you just ask her whether she attended the CRT or not. Just put it.
Okay sir.
So if those who are
Okay sir.
attending now in the
Sir,
class,
don't-
okay, those who not attended and attending
మీ
the
వాయిస్
CRT,
బ్రేక్
or
అవుతుంది
else
సార్,
you do
మీ
one thing,
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
take separate attendance for here note down attendance. CR.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు బాగానే ఉంది కదా, కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఉందిగా.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఏం చేస్తామంటే జస్ట్ సీ ద కౌంట్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కనపడుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ అటెండెన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసాయి. సిఆర్టీ అటెండెన్స్ మళ్ళీ సిఆర్టీ అటెండెన్స్ నాకు ఇచ్చేసాయి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఆర్ యు గెటింగ్ వాట్ ఐ యామ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు సే?
ఎస్ సార్, అదే కనుక్కొని మీకు అటెండెన్స్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయమంటున్నాను. ఓకే సార్.
నాకు వాట్సాప్ చేసిన పర్వాలేదు, లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ మీరు పంపించిన పర్వాలేదు. ఓకే, ఓకేనా? మీరు ఇక్కడ చాట్
Okay,
బాక్స్
sir.
లో
Okay,
పెట్టండి
sir.
అమ్మా, సిఆర్టీ అటెండెన్స్,
Okay, sir.
సిఆర్టీ అటెండెన్స్ చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టండి. ఓకే, సో ఐ కెన్ పోస్ట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ, త్వరగా. బి కూడా, బీసీఆర్ అమ్మాయి పేరేంటి? ఆకుల మహేశ్వరి.
ఓకే సార్, కౌంట్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఓకేనమ్మా, ఇక్కడ అటెండెన్స్ పెట్టి మళ్ళీ సిఆర్టీ అటెండెన్స్ కూడా పెట్టమ్మా.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. Yeah. Now, if you see here, here is go back n means a number of okay, so a number of frames are buffered. Okay, so those frames which are sent after the error frame is sent, so those are only discarded here. And remaining with so once the error frame is retransmitted, the remaining frames also gets transmitted here. Okay, here the error frame is 2, so 2 get retransmitted, then immediately after that 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, 7 and 8. So those are also get, see here, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, this is about the go back. We have W is the size of the window, and 1 is the receiving size window, and how many n is the sequence, n bit is the sequence number, so sender window size is 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1. Then ఇంకోటి go back and go maximum sequence numbers ఏంటండి? maximum sequence number only we can use, but not max sequence plus 1. So this is not used in go back number. Okay, this is not used, only max sequence number we use. Because what is the formula for what is max? Suppose if it is 3-bit number, so max sequence equal to 7. If it is a 3-bit number, so what is max? 2 power 3 minus 1. So what does that mean? 8 minus 1 is 7. So max is 7. So 7 frames sent from sender to receiver. Okay, so max sequence number is 7. Okay, but not 8. So 8 sequence number, so n bits. So what we'll do? Only we can send it only. Max sequence number as the concept clear to everyone? Okay, so that is okay. Now we will see one example, which I mean along with the code, if you see.
Sir, మీకు వాట్సాప్ చేశాను సార్.
both నాకు కావాలమ్మా. Only 2 members are CRT absentees, antena?
Yes sir.
What about class absentees? Today in the class.
క్లాస్ absences మీకు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టాను సార్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇందాకే.
Okay.
12 members సార్ క్లాస్ absentees.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Class absentees 12 members, antega?
Yes sir.
3, 5, 21, 29.
Sir 5 కాదు
30,
సార్ 15 సార్.
35.
15 సార్.
Class absentees, huh?
3, 15, 21, 29, 30, 35, 36, 41, 46,
Oh.
47, 51, 56, sir.
51, 56. Okay. What about B? B, please. CRT absentees and class absentees. 66, 73, 79, 82, 91.
79
8.
present, sir.
Okay. 82, A1, A8,
Present, sir.
8 present, sir.
A8 present, huh?
Yes, sir.
66.
Sir, 79 present, sir.
Okay, I'm just telling once again. 73, 82, 91, B2. Only 4 members are class absentees. What about
Sir,
CRT?
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్. సార్ CSCA లో క్లాస్ ఆబ్సెంటీస్ లో 30 ప్రెసెంట్ సార్. తనకి నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూ వల్ల వస్తుంది పోతుంది సార్.
Okay, 30 present. Okay, class absentees. Okay.
ఎస్ సార్.
CR, BCR. BCR.
CRT ki 41 members present, sir.
Okay, absentees చెప్పవా? CRT absentees.
Sir, absentees కనుక్కొని చెప్తాను, sir.
Okay, ఇప్పుడు class absentees.
4 members, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే డియర్, కొంచెం త్వరగా చెప్పా, వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు అక్కడ మేడం.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ఓకే. Okay, so we are discussing about the go back end. Okay, right? So go back end, what is the size of the sender's window size? It is 2 power n minus 1. What is the receiver size? It is 1. Okay, whereas so this is about the go back end. And yeah, so now we'll see the trace of the program. So how actually tracing is happening. Okay, so for the go back and that we will see now. Okay, so that we will see now. Just wait. now we will see the program tracing of this go back n. Okay, so there are two functions, sender and receiver. Of this go back in, so that usually is the screen visible? Is the screen visible? Go back in. So initially the frame expected is I mean acknowledgement expected is 0, next frame to send is 0, frame expected is 0, so buffer of 0, nb equal to 1. That means we are sending 0 and the acknowledgement is 7. After that we'll compare the receiver sequence number. What we receive 0, so 0 with frame expected is 0 and received also 0. So that means then what we will do, so we will increment the frame expected. That means next time it will become
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు సార్.
సార్ వాయిస్ రావట్లేదు సార్. ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్. సార్
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు సార్.
Am I audible now?
yes sir.
Am
Yes
I
sir.
audible? Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Yeah. We will start
Yes,
once
sir.
again. There are 4 events happening in go back and protocol. In the textbook, they given one example. There are 4 types of events happening. One is network ready. That means network layer is ready to send the packet. Next, frame receive. That means okay, time అయిపోయింది. Okay, just we will finish it, then we will run, then we stop. Okay, network time frame save and checksum error and timeout. So what will happen is, so frame here acknowledgement expect 0. Initially all are zeros. Frame expect 0 and number of buffered frames also 0 and NB equal to 1. That means we are ready to send the first frame. So that means 0 sequence number and N7 is the acknowledgement number. So once it receives, second frame receive event will happen. So what happened is, 0 will be sent and frame expect is 0. So both are 0. That means equal. Immediately the frame which sent across the channel is received, and now frame expect is incremented to 1. Now also the send next event happening in network layer ready. So what happens is immediately number of buffered is 2. That means 1 is incremented to that means here number of buffers are 1. So that means 1 is incremented. That means second frame we are going to send, and the second frame is buffer of 1, and sequence number is 1, and acknowledgement number is 0. So we are sending in the piggybacking 1 frame and 0 acknowledgement. So we are sending from sending side, receiving side, and from receiving side we will compare the frame expected. Frame expected is 1 and received frame is 1 here, 1,0. So both are equal. That means that means first frame is received and next frame is expecting. Next frame is a frame with the sequence number 2. Now number of buffer is decremented to 1. So that means we received one frame. So there is only one frame in buffer, and acknowledgement expected is also 1. Now what happens is NB equal to 2. That means we sent network layer ready event happened. So so that means buffer of 2 s dot sequence number equal to. That means s dot sequence number equal next frame to send. That is 2. So s dot sequence number equal and s dot acknowledgement equal to frame expected s dot acknowledgement equal to frame expected plus max sequence. This is the formula. Frame expected plus max sequence percentage max sequence plus 1. That means if it is a frame expected, so frame expected is 2 here. Frame expected is 2. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 9% 7 plus 1 max sequence plus 1. So 9% 8 remainder is 1. So that means acknowledgement is acknowledgement. So 2,1 will send to the receiver. Here normally frame receive will happen because it happened here and here. But in the third case, what happens is error, this checksum error event happened. That is second event happened. So that's why whenever a frame is without error, don't do anything. I mean, don't do any calculations. So simply send to the receiver. So simply ignore. Okay, now next network layer ready will happen. So whenever network layer ready event will happen, a frame new frame will be sent. So buffer is now So initially it is it is 3, and so now buffer of 3 and NB equal to here and NB equal to 3 here, a sequence number equal to next frame to send. Next frame to send is 3. So 3 here, and as dot acknowledgement equal to, as I told you, frame expected plus max sequence reminder max sequence plus 1. That means 1 only. A frame expected is 1 because it didn't get the acknowledgement of for this frame which is sent, so it is still expecting the acknowledgement for 1. So 3, 1 will be sent across from the sender to the receiver. Now r dot sequence not equal to, that means second frame is not received. Frame expected is 2. So frame expected is 2, but here frame what the frame send is 3. So both are not equal. So when both are not equal, what happens is simply send the simply buffer it. So simply buffer it. So buffer count will be reduced to 2 and acknowledgement expected is equal to 2. Now again new, that means any number of buffer item equal to 3 and s dot sequence number equal to next frame to send, that is 4, and s dot acknowledgement equal to same 1. So 4 will send across. So 4 is also here also expected is 2. 2 is not at all received, but here what received is 4. So hence it will not continue. The condition, here the condition fails and it will not further continue. And here acknowledgement is received because 1 less than or equal to 1 less than 4. That means acknowledgement is received. That means while sending the third frame, acknowledgement is received. So NB equal to decremented by 1 count. That means NB will become 2 and acknowledgement expected is equal to now 2 because 2 is not at all received, but still we are expecting acknowledgement. So so in the next case, what happens is, so network layer ready event will happen and NB will become 4 and all these are buffered. So sequence number will become 5 and s dot acknowledgement equal to 1. So 5, 1. So like this 6, 1. So like this what happens is immediately the next event will happen. Okay. Okay, I will share the screen once again. I will share the screen. So what happens is here, so that will continue. Okay. So what happens is, so after receiving the 6 frames, so after receiving so completely keep on sending 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only the sequence number increases, but acknowledgement remains same. So what happens is the timeout occurs because the 2 is sent by the sender. Okay, 2 is sent by the sender but not received by the receiver. So 2 is sent here. Okay, but not received by the receiver. 2 is sent here, but here frame error will happen. So timeout occurs after some time. So here timeout will occur. If you see here, timeout occurred after sending the 8th frame. Packets are going, but there is no acknowledgement from the receiver after 2. Okay, so 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1. Like these packets are sending by the network layer. Okay, but it is not receiving, from the receiving layer. So why this happening is because the one of the frame is not reached. One of the frame, that is frame error happened and the one of the frame is not reached. So that's why what happens is 2 will timeout. So once 2 timeout, what is next frame to send will become 2 and acknowledgement will become 2 because frame expected is 1 here. What is the frame expected? Frame expected is 2 here. So 2 plus 7, 9 percentage 8 is 1. So that's why, so 2 will send again and 3 will, so once 2 will send, so what will happen is so 0 is sent from so here and 1 comma 0 acknowledgement from here. Okay, to so 1 is received. After that 1 comma 1 acknowledgement and 2 will send to here and 2 will be received. from here onwards. So from here onwards, two is received here. Now 2 acknowledgement along with 3. So it will be sent from receiving side to sender side. So that is happening here. Next 4. Okay. So by meeting all these conditions, what we can say that the frames are successfully sent. Frames are successfully sent from then onward. Okay. So how it will happen is, in case of timeout, the condition is I equal to 1 to NB. I equal to 1, I less than or equal to NB. So what is NB here? NB is, you can see here, NB is 7 here. NB, and the number of frames buffered is 7. So I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to 7. That means 7 times what we do is next frame position will be get incremented. So initially it is 2, then 3, then 4. Okay. Then see here. Okay, then 5, 4, then 5, then 6,
Excuse
then
me,
7,
sir.
then 8. Like this, all discarded frames are received here. All discarded frames are received here by storing in the buffer. So this is nothing but the go back. All discarded is received. Any
Sir,
doubt? Yes.
no, sir. No doubt, sir. Sir, 1249 is
Yeah. Now you can leave. Now you can leave. We'll
thank you,
continue
sir.
the selective repeat in the next class.